just go running in the rain. I've been there and back again. I know how to fix a heart. Love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Courageous K. And if you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below. It's on the right, so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today's video is a review of Bobbi Boss Lace Frontal Premium Synthetic Wig. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is all the hair look, guys. I have it in the style MLF 178 Xenon in the color TT623, and the price of the hair is only $23. Yes, $23. It is from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description for the hair. There is a wide variety of colors you can choose from. I'm going ahead and put the wig on. It is not big head friendly. It is really snug on my head.
Today, I can't have fun. Too busy trying to figure out how to make my dreams become reality. That's what I chase. Every day I'm older than the last, and I don't have the time to waste. So just maybe one day, baby, we'll be there.
Now I'll be using the Got To Be Freeze Spray to lay the lace.
That ain't no lie, but that means no slipping to.
I am using my blow dryer on medium heat.
That's alright. Wonderful. I'm one of them. Ooh, must be something, yeah, something.
I am now cutting the lace, and I'll be cutting the lace on the parts of the lace that is secured.
Crazy dreams, and they won't stop till I make something. I'm gonna make something, something of me. Ayo, ayo, I'm working hard for whatever I want. Ayo, ayo, I'm working hard for whatever I want. Ayo, ayo, I'm working hard for whatever I want.
I'll be doing the same thing that I did to the other side.
I wake up early on, get my smart and nerdy on. I gotta get my reach the sky on, get my always try on. I gotta get my hit the gym on, get my sink or swim on. I gotta get it, I gotta get my don't complain on, gotta get my win this game on. I gotta get my don't sit still on, get my pay these bills on. I gotta get my Jasper Sawyer on, don't say my name, say your own. I gotta get it, I gotta get it. Oh, I'm up in the middle of the night, putting hours in. The world is full of wonderful. I'm one. Stop playing with me. But still, must be something, baby. It means something to me. And my mind stronger. Don't you know that life goes on. Crazy dreams. Something, baby, something of me. I'm working hard for whatever. The song isn't over, so sit down. I'm working hard. Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday and Friday and Saturday, Sunday. I'm working hard. I'm working hard.
I am using some alcohol to remove the white residue from the Got To Be spray.
Whatever I want, see whatever I want is whatever I want, because I'm working out for.
I am just tying the lace to make sure the lace is fully secured.
Rolling and rolling all around the world. beautiful people making a living like we keep going and going from the Philippines to Guam, UK, Australia, Paris, France, United States of America, Russia, Brazil, from Italy to India. People work hard.
I am going ahead and pluck some of the hair from the parting. Yes, I'm using my tweezer to pluck the parting. I need it to be a little wider, even though the parting space is a little small, so I gotta be extra careful on the amount of hair I take out.
America, South America, Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, ocean to ocean, there's so many people like I'm working hard for whatever I want, whatever I want, whatever I want. I'm working hard for whatever. Somebody out there needed this. I'm working hard for whatever I want, whatever I want, whatever I want. I'm working hard for whatever I want. I'm up, I can't sleep tonight. I'm too busy trying to figure out.
I am just using some foundation to brighten the parting space.
Guess I'm doing better than before, but still I got a long way. And just maybe one day, maybe we'll be there at the top. Like the 4th of July, we'll go big. Girl, that ain't no lie, but that means no sleeping tonight. I'm up in the middle of the night, putting hours in. The world is full of wonderful people. I'm one of them, my homeschool.
I am using my walk stick to reduce the flyaways and also to add extra sheen to the hair, guys. In this hair, I don't need to pluck the hairline because the hairline won't be showing, so there's no need for you to go ahead and pluck the hairline. But if you want to go ahead and do it, that's up to you guys.
I chase every day. I'm older than the last, and I don't have the time to waste. So just maybe one day, baby, we'll be there at the top, baby, like the 4th of July. We'll go big.
I receive minimal shedding from the hair, but maybe it's because I pluck the parting, but it's just a little, nothing to be worried about, guys. The hair is giving me life, guys. I got so much compliment about this hair. You can hardly tell that this hair is a synthetic wig. Yes, it's giving me life. Remember, the link will be in the description down below. Don't forget to go and check the hair out. Thanks for watching.